welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome to our travel vlog. This is our Thanksgiving vacation travel vlog. Listen to this one over here talking trash, y'all. This is our first stop on the first leg of our trip. No, y'all. First of all, this man.
I'm 52 years old almost on my birthday, and I'm gonna get me some chili.
This ain't about age. It's about.
The exact moment I realized he's serious.
It's not etiquette. How we going to a resort and he gonna cook chitlins in the resort? Can I get an A?
I'm really not paying attention to either one of y'all.
Amen.
Right. I mean, for real, y'all. This is some pure foolishness.
Amen.
I am not gonna let him. He knows. Listen, we've already discussed this.
Okay.
He can have some for Christmas at home that he cooks in the garage in the day. You are very much a grown man that I absolutely adore and love. However, that is not socially acceptable, nor is it etiquette to cook chitlins in the daggone. Comment down below, you guys. Comment down below. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. How would you feel if you go into a resort for a vacation and your husband want to cook chitlins? Somebody please. And it's Thanksgiving. Okay, it's Thanksgiving, but my thing
I'm tell you like this. Regardless of how y'all feel, I know how I feel. And I feel like eating some chitlins. And that's because I feel. And I'm not moved by your opinion, nor am I offended by your opinion. So guess what? I'm gonna have me some Texas Pete and some chitlins.
Where?
And I'm
not at the resort, baby.
At my resort.
Y'all.
Okay, watch me. Only way I don't have them, if they don't have them.
Well, we gonna believe God that they don't have them. They got them. They all out. Everywhere, all over. It's a shortage, you guys. So anyway, what he say? What he say, baby?
You don't even have the pot, that big pot.
I mean, all right. So this how you come in, y'all. A large kitchen. Big large kitchen here. You guys. There is the bedroom here. It's got nice little bedroom where the magic go down. Baby.
I need to find a chitlin.
Did you hear me?
What?
I said it's where the magic go down. Baby. Oh wow, that's got a nice big tub. Guess who's gonna be taking a bath? That would be me. Nice big old tub there, you guys. Oh, I like this. Nice little restroom. Love it. Cute little vanity. It's got the little Conair there. Okay, this is good. This is our very first time staying here. My sister-in-law actually told me about it.
Man,
so, honey, take it in there.
I'm getting it. You know you will put your cutie bag in.
Cute.
You got on get cutie.
Calm down. Okay, y'all. So, they got the little Allure soaps there, y'all. Does anybody else like the hotel soaps and all that stuff? I love it, y'all. This is Allure little body lotion there. It does. It's got a lot of space though. It really does. Nice bathroom.
Why would you do this?
I did.
Let's get on.
What are you fussing about? All right, here's the living room area here. Cute little table, you guys. I am loving this. But you guys, here is the best part about this room is this amazing balcony. Y'all, this is not, isn't it nice? Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what's amazing about this room. Bam! There y'all go. La la la. Ooh la la, y'all. Yes. There y'all go, looking down. Okay, love, so when I tell y'all it smells so good, this restaurant, oh my god, they have like a seafood boil. Oh, I am getting me some of that too now. I'll be like, baby, I want that seafood boil tonight. Our first night here. Oh god, y'all, let me turn it around so y'all can see. I don't even know if y'all can see. Hold on, let me hold y'all up. Let me hold y'all up and let y'all see. Okay, you guys, we made it into the Walmart. My husband came and found the Walmart because y'all, he is on the hunt for, y'all already know what. But y'all, I saw these stuffed marshmallow bites. They come in these different flavors. The s'mores one. They have a birthday cake one. What y'all think about this? Yay or nay? I ain't too sure about this. This one is a cookies and cream one. Not too sure. Have you guys tried them? If you have, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know if you've tried them. I saw them a couple of times. I was like, I don't know. Not too sure about that. But one thing I can tell you that I absolutely love this time of year, you guys, are these hot cocoa Hershey Kisses. When I tell y'all, these are so good. They are delicious. I love these. The peppermint ones are too, but these are really good. The hot cocoa ones, gosh, I love those. I'm trying to cut back on my sugar intake, y'all. So, but I can have a little bit. A little bit. Amen.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.
Okay, love, so we made it back into this room, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got from IGA on this holiday. On this wonderful Thanksgiving, you guys. We got a ham. This is what Babe and I are gonna make together. We're gonna do this together. We got some pineapple slices to go on our ham. We got, of course, y'all, some Hawaiian rolls. You can't have a Thanksgiving without either your yeast roll or your Hawaiian rolls. We got some 100% whole wheat bread. We got some, of course, some Reynolds wrap stuff. And in the refrigerator, y'all, what we got? Some waters, daggone Sprites. My husband has been loving this cran pineapple. I got some sweet potatoes because I'm gonna make some pies. Got some sausage for breakfast. Pie shells here. We're gonna put these in the freezer. Put these pie shells in the freezer. Got some pancakes. Our favorite little outshine bars. That's my husband's favorite. And then I get the no sugar ones. These are the ones my husband found for me. It doesn't have any added sugar in there, so I really like these. Got some little eggs, y'all. So yeah, I got me some Gatorade zero sugar. So, absolutely amazing. I love it when the water gets really calm. I'm gonna sit y'all down right here, y'all. We about to get this ham to pop in.
Finally don't get no, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay.
Y'all want to see what I'm doing? Oh, I done left y'all out there. Oh, there we go. So I got some butter there, and I got some brown sugar, and we're gonna set a glaze up. I got some honey and syrup, but I ain't gonna do all of that. This right here gonna be good.
You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind.
85 minutes, 85 minutes, one time. 85 minutes, 85, 95 minutes, 100 million right there, smell right there, 110 million right there. That's sold for $1 billion right there.
Day, y'all. It's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Day. I had to switch and film for my phone because I left my battery charger in the truck and it's in the parking deck, and nobody felt like going to get it. So I made the sweet potato pies that my husband asked for, you guys. I didn't have a mixer, so I had to do everything by hand. So it's nice. Smooth is what I would like, because I like mine to be like super, super smooth, but it's not too lumpy either. It's really, I mash it up really, really, really well. But they smell absolutely amazing, y'all. They smell so good. So I can't wait to cut into one and try it. I'm gonna let them cool down for a little bit, but I did want to make sure that I shared this inside of this video, y'all. We did it. We made these pies with my baby. So yeah, he's sleeping right now. We have just been enjoying our Sunday. Lord, our Sunday, Jesus. We have just been enjoying our Thanksgiving and resting and everything, y'all. So yeah, but we're gonna get dressed here in a little bit and get ready to go to dinner, y'all. That's the washer, that's the dishwasher going. That I just put on, that you guys hear in the background, and I'm watching the Medea movie and editing, y'all. So I'll hit y'all back up in
So absolutely horrible vlogger, y'all. Absolutely horrible, because I ran off and left the battery charger again in the car. Then my phone does not have a lot unless I vlog from my husband's phone, which I may have to. So yeah, there's all of my family down there, y'all. This whole row is us. There they go down there, everybody all the way down. Hi guys. Hi baby. Hey guys. So yeah, so my phone is actually can't believe that, Bonnie. I ran off and still left the battery plugged into the car. So this ain't gonna work.
What is it about that?
It's dead. My camera is dead, you guys. So horrible vlogger, y'all. But I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you guys where we are. We are inside of the Pirates of Voyage, y'all. And I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. I think this is gonna be a nice show. It's something great to do. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that I vlogged it for you guys so that you guys can see. Honey will be back in a second, and he had to go to the restroom, so he'll be back. But I'm gonna turn this camera around to show you guys really quick. There you go, you guys. Absolutely nice. I think this is gonna be nice, babe. Yeah, that's yours. You think this is gonna be? Wait a minute, is that yours? Yeah, that's yours. No, I didn't get it. Let me move down so that'll be it. So that's absolutely amazing, you guys. I hope you guys can see it really good, but it looks amazing. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, and yeah, it's gonna be good. So getting that for you guys there. And I don't even know if I'll be able to get the show, but we got our little plates, you guys, because we're having dinner too. So this is gonna be a lot of fun, y'all. This is gonna be amazing. They've got, let's see what's underneath here. They've got dinner. So this is the dinner show. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
I never knew that you would be the one headed my